Action, action, action. Hi guys, Cocktail Tony here. I got a few shout outs that I'm going to give, and then we're going to get to some stories maybe. I don't know. Whatever I got going on, I don't know. Let's bake and cook stuff. That's a good idea. Let's bake and cook stuff. Go to their thing on YouTube, Let's Bake and Cook Stuff, and watch and subscribe. And all that fluffing stuff. Those guys ought to get together. Those guys ought to get together. Go, Let's Bake and Cook Stuff and all that fluffing stuff. Get on their sites and subscribe and view. And also, Cocktail Tony, I need subscribers. Please help me. Please, I need subscribers. Today I'm going to make a drink, but first, I'm going to tell you guys a little thing here. Did you know that in Texas, in some parts of Texas, it is illegal to cuss in front of a dead person? Now, what happens there? Does the dead person wake up and say, he's cussing, he's cussing? I don't know. I don't know. If I did, I'd let you know. But it's illegal to cuss in front of a dead person in Texas. And in Danville, Pennsylvania, before a fire, all fire hydrants must be checked 1 hour before there's a fire. What the hell? Go check that fire hydrant. This house is going to have a fire in about an hour. What the hell is that all about? Okay. This is crazy. This is crazy. Today I'm going to make the world famous Mai Tai. And this Mai Tai has got quite the frothing on it. So I'm going to give you guys the ingredients and then I'm going to get ready. So I'm going to have a little break in between, but not much because I'm going to cut it and edit it and so it looks like it's all one piece. Okay? Here we go. I got ½ an ounce of egg white, which isn't much. ¼ of an ounce of honey. Are you writing this down? ¼ of an ounce of honey. I got trained eyes. I can tell when it's ¼ of an ounce. And 1 ounce of simple syrup? No, ½ an ounce of simple syrup. ½ an ounce of simple syrup. Man, this is good stuff. This is good stuff. Can I say that again, Karen? Mm-hmm. This is pretty good stuff.
Yeah, see, you did.
Yeah.
You said it again.
And ½ an ounce of Liliko'i Puree. Liliko'i Puree. Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah, I got it on there. It's ½ an ounce. I missed the thing.
I know.
I miss it. ½ an ounce of Liliko'i Puree.
I know, we can't mess with that. That was
And
expensive.
1½ ounces of cold water. So, excuse me, I'm here. You might not see me, but I'm here.
I can see you.
3/4 of an ounce of cold water. Yeah, 3/4 of an ounce of cold water. Okay, now, so you guys don't hear the noise, I'm just going to go right to making the drink, okay? Here we go. Wow, that took me some time to beat that stuff up. It's a good thing I edited this so you guys didn't have to watch it. I'm going to put in 1½ ounces of rum. One and ½ ounces of rum. And, whoop, wrong one. ¾ of an ounce of Orange Curacao. ¾ of an ounce of Macadamia-Nut Orgeat. And, whoa, baby. 3/4 ounce of lime juice. And we got to stir that thing up. Sorry, I'm not organized today. I don't know why. Oh, look at, I got my garnish all set and ready to go. That's looking pretty good. Now I'm just going to float 1.5 ounces of dark rum.
Wow, that's a lot.
Oh yeah, this is a drink for the ages. 1.5 ounces of dark rum.
Wow.
And it's floating, it's floating.
I see it float.
Oh yeah, look at that float. That's floating so good. Now for the capper. Here we go. Will you just look at that? Look at that. Down, Karen says down, boy,
Yeah,
down.
I think your camera person needs to be replaced today. She's not doing too well.
Well, she had to get her crap together, I guess, huh?
I know.
I know, I always get my crap together.
You might have to fire her. How is it?
It's pretty damn good, if you
Is
ask
it
me.
as good as the one in Maui?
Yeah, it's pretty damn good.
Okay.
I'm going to Maui. Going to Maui. Anyhow, Cocktail Tony, drink those Mai Tais, make those Mai Tais. Make it your way, because your way is the only way, but my way is better. Okay? Karen's shaking, that's not true. Cocktail Tony, get your vaccine, say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.